Santorini is a volcanic island in the Cyclades group of the Greek islands. It is located between Ios and Anafi Islands. It is famous for dramatic views, stunning sunsets from Oia town, the strange white aubergine, eggplant, the town of Thera, and naturally its very own active volcano. There are naturally fantastic beaches such as the beach of Parissa, maybe the best beach in Santorini, the Black Pebble Beach of Kamari, White Beach, and Red Beach. An alternative name for Santorini is Thera. Santorini is also a name for the family of islands surrounding Thera, once forming a single island prior to a major volcanic event in approximately 1628 BC. The small island cradles a rich variety of landscapes and villages. Visit traditional architecture in the small village of Macedonia, now shown as Episkopi Gonias in Google Maps, containing a mixture of ruins from the 1956 earthquake and restored villas as well as a winery at the foot of the settlement. Pyrgios is another notable village set inland with its grand old houses, remains of a Venetian castle and several Byzantine churches. The island has one natural source of fresh water, a small spring situated in a cave behind a small chapel located halfway up the steep footpath between Kamari and the entrance to ancient Thera. This spring only provides a small quantity of water, however, it is of good quality as it comes from the only remaining limestone outcrop of the pre-volcanic island. Prior to the early 1990s, it was necessary for water to be delivered to the island via tanker from Crete. Now most hotels and homes have access to water provided by a local desalination plant. While this water is potable, it is still rather salty, so most visitors drink bottled water while in Santorini. Thera is the fiery capital, a marriage of Venetian and Cycladic architecture, whose white cobblestone streets bustle with shops, tavernas, hotels, and cafes, while clinging to the rim of the caldera 900 feet above its port. If arriving by sea, you can take a cable car up from the port or alternatively take a trip on one of the hundreds of mules up the 588 zigzagging steps. You could also attempt to walk up the steps, but be warned, they are winding, narrow in parts with only low walls, they are covered in donkey excrement and the donkeys themselves will make no attempt to avoid you. Walking north from Thera for about 20 minutes will bring you to Imiravagli, where you can take in the magnificent views of the island's unique scenery from the tiny town. At the northern end of the caldera is the quintessentially Santorininian town of Oia, also spelled Ia and pronounced Ia, with its whitewashed walls sunk into the volcanic rock and its blue domes rising above the sterling beauty of the stunning, russet Amadai Bay. At dusk, the town attracts crowds of people venturing to see the sunset. Santorini's sunsets, as viewed from Oia, are reputed to be among the world's most beautiful. Due to the spectacular and unique natural beauty of Santorini, many Greek singers have chosen the island as the setting of their videos. Greek and Brazilian TV series have been shot of Santorini, as well as some Hollywood movies, e.g. Tomb Raider 2. Generally, Santorini is a pole of attraction for Greek and international celebrities.